Welcome to the Slowly English Listening Podcast. Together, we'll improve your English step by step. Episode 10, Jobs and Work. Hello everyone. Take a deep breath and feel proud of yourself. Today is a very special day. We have reached episode 10. Think about that. 10 lessons ago, you started this journey, and today you are still here, listening and learning. I want to tell you that success in English is not about being the smartest person, it is about showing up every day. You are showing up. You are building your future, brick by brick, word by word. Today, let's celebrate your hard work by talking about the world of work. Welcome to episode 10 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to celebrate this milestone with you today. In our last episode, we talked about our families. Today, we are talking about what we do every day. We are going to learn how to name different jobs and how to describe your work. Let's start with some common professions. Repeat after me. Teacher, doctor, engineer, driver, student, artist. Very good. Now, let's learn some jobs in the service and business world. Repeat after me. Manager, chef, nurse, salesperson, office worker. Now, how do we ask someone about their job? There is a very common question in English. Repeat after me. What do you do for a living? Or simply, what is your job? When you answer, you use the word a or an before the job. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am a student. Now, where do you work? Let's learn the places. Repeat after me. In an office. In a hospital. In a school. At home. Let's try to build a long sentence together. Repeat after me. I am a nurse and I work in a big hospital. I am a manager and I work in an office. Excellent. You are doing a great job. Even if you don't have a job right now, you can say, I am looking for a job or I am retired. Let's try a small simulation. I am a new friend you meet at a party. Hi. It's nice to meet you. What do you do for a living? That sounds very interesting. Here is my special tip for today. Many people feel nervous talking about their work in English because they don't know the technical words. But you don't need technical words yet. Just learn 3 simple sentences: what your job is, where you work, and if you like it. For example, I am a driver. I work in the city. I like my job because I see many people. Simplicity is the key to confidence. Don't forget, you have finished 10 episodes. This is a big achievement. You are no longer a complete beginner, you are an English student with a solid foundation. Your homework for today is very special. Tell me what your dream job is, or what you do now. Write in the comments, I am a. And tell us where you work. Let's celebrate our community. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. I am Adam. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.